Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set your board to private, meaning that only you and the collaborators can check it out on the pinterest.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, you should open the website, and after that tap on this profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Select the board, tap on it, and then click on this more button at the top of the screen next to the name, and then click on edit board, which is the first option. Then scroll down a bit to the settings section. In the middle of the screen you can see this first option, keep this board secret. So if you would like to turn it on or enable this feature, all you have to do is tapping onto this box, and until the checkmark icon appears in it, it means that it has been enabled. So as it says, only you and collaborators can see your board. Tap on the done button down below and then this feature will be updated. That's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.